You know, Australia, we've got some great stuff down here, but I've travelled extensively, and one of the greatest things other countries have are better power plugs. Great shape, interesting, right? You know, probably got some real design purpose to it, but to be honest, I'd rather have English plugs. They're very sturdy, very solid. You just step on this guy and you'll bend the pins on it. So I'm working away this morning. I pulled one plug out and this is what I get. Dun, dun, dun. That's right, my earth has broken off and it's stuck in the plug. Now if that was an active or a neutral, that'd be semi-dangerous. So unplug that guy, pull that out and make a new plug. You got to watch these things. You know, you pull your plugs out, you got to have a look at what's going on, because next time you pick it up and it's missing a pin, you don't know where it is. But that's Australia, right? Our plugs are just thin, really thin. I've always been disappointed with it. The number of times I've had to bend a pin straight to put the plug together. We could do better. We could. Love you, England. You've got great plugs.